Hi everybody, my name is Susan Waxman. Some of you know me, some of you may not know me, but I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I am a macrobiotic teacher and counselor and co-director of the Strengthening Health Institute. So I'm very excited to talk to you about a class I'm going to be doing this coming Wednesday, December 15th. It begins at 5 p.m. and goes to about 7 p.m. Leaves plenty of time at the end for some questions you may have. I'll be cooking some festive holiday dishes that are some of our family favorites. So if you're interested in how like the Waxmans spend their holidays, please come and join us. All the dishes are going to be listed on the SHI website, so you can look it up there. And I really hope you join us because I'm very excited to do this. I haven't done this in a really long time, and I think you'll have a lot of fun. So grab yourself a glass of wine, check out the website, pick out some of the ingredients, and you can cook along with me. Hope to see you then.